Hey, what's up, guys? I'm back. So, y'all just gonna see the 22-inch wheels that I had on there. Now, before 225, 30, 22, but you can see like they're like rubber bands. Right? I'm gonna take these wheels and I'm gonna put on 265, 35, 22. These right here are the 265, 35, 22 full width. So we're gonna be going 35. They're gonna be much thicker on the lip. So stay tuned. Hey, what's going on, big time family? So I've been meaning to get to you guys and let you guys know about the Super 10 update. For you guys that's been in the reviews, that's been asking me about the Super 10, I'm so sorry. I've been meaning to get back to you guys sooner and let you guys know an update on that Super 10. But to be truthful with you guys, and again, this is my opinion only. There are some people that might feel different. But the Super 10, I'm really not liking it. One is because of the drone that you get inside the vehicle. The drone is just too loud, you know what I mean, inside the car. Being that the Super 10 is in the middle, I was thinking maybe if you took it back by where the resonators was, that might quiet it down, but I don't know if it'll be as loud. But the plan was to go with Solo Performance. If you want to look that up, Solo Performance sounds like it's a lot more stronger, a lot more better, especially for our V6s out there. But I wanted to be transparent with you guys, and I'm sorry for you guys that I haven't got up with you yet. It's just that things has been a little bit slow right now. I've been trying to get things done, but you know, with everything going on, just things have been moving slow. But I wanted to update you guys and let you guys know.